Today I made this amazing chole for lunch. In water I have added tea leaves, elaichi, pepper, cinnamon, bay leaf along with some carom seeds. Let this tea boil. In a pressure cooker add water, soak chole and strain the tea to remove the leaves and the spices. It requires about 4 to 5 whistles on medium flame to get soft. In a kadhai, add oil, onion puree, tomato puree, amchur, salt, garam masala, kasuri methi, garlic paste with ginger and cook for about 6 to 7 minutes. After the oil separates, add the chole along with water. Adjust the chilli powder for extra thickness. I have grinded some chole and added them back. Add chopped coriander, let it come to a boil and then serve along with chapati, bhatura or poori, anything that you prefer, with some onion and chilies to the side. Enjoy!